Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2001 Acura TL. Now the problems I'm getting is that check engine light is on. So I'm putting my OBD reader. Just in case you didn't know, the OBD port is not located underneath here. It's located right here. You have to remove this little cap or whatever, this little shield that goes right there. You remove it, then you can put it there. And let me show you the code that I'm getting. I'm getting a P0505 idle air control system. So basically the symptoms I'm having is car is misfiring, it's like stalling, and the RPMs whenever the car is on park, they go up and down, up and down. I'm going to see if it's going to do it now. I think it does it when the engine is cold, but right now the engine is warm. Let me see if it's going to do it. There, you see? I'm not hitting the gas pedal. I don't know if you guys saw, it was going up and down, up and down. There, you see? I'm not hitting the gas pedal, and it goes up and down. You see? I'm not hitting the gas pedal. There. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this problem. It gets pretty annoying. I'm going to show you how it looks from here. Okay. So there's this cover right here. You can just remove it by pulling it out. And this is the part that we have to clean or replace. In my case, I'm just going to take it out and clean it, and hopefully that fixes my problem. If it didn't work, then I have to go ahead and replace it with another one. It's not too hard to remove. You will have to remove this part right here, and then you're gonna have to remove this part, but I'll show you the process. Okay, we have to remove this guy right here, which is 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use a 8mm socket, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. In this case, I'm using the socket. And now you have to remove this one with a 10mm socket. Okay, now this is loose. Now we're going to start removing these hoses right here. You can use some pliers to remove. There's another one back here. You can just pull this one out. There. Pull this one. Now you can use a screwdriver to loosen this part up. You can just unscrew this just a little bit. There. And now I guess you should be able to take this out. Let me see. Let me show you how this looks. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt there I'm going to clean. This is a good chance for you to clean this part right here. I don't know if you have some carburetor cleaner, you can clean it. Now we are going to have to remove some hoses. We have to remove this connector right here. You can just push and pull. Simple. There's also this connector right here. Also same thing, push and pull. There. There's another connector here, a white one. Also push and pull. Now we have this hose right here, and these holes right there. You can use some pliers. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There, got that one. Or this one. There. Let's put this one on the bottom. It's stuck, so I'm gonna use the pliers to see if I can move it a little bit. There. This one's out. Now something with the one on the top. There. There's another small hose you have to remove right there. Just walk up. Okay, there was water. Oh. Now using a 12mm socket, we're going to remove this guy right here. There's another one here, and then this one, and this one right there. All right, I removed the two on the bottom and the two on top, and now just try to wiggle this down, or maybe hit it with a hammer a little bit, not too hard. There. Wow, the gasket is broken. Your seal. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the part we're going to end up replacing or cleaning first. I'm gonna clean this up and see how it looks after. All right, this is held, I'm guessing, by 2 screws. So I'm going to use the screwdriver to remove them. There. I'm guessing that's it. Let's see. Yes. Look at that. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I'm gonna try to clean this. Look at that. So yeah, I'm going to try to clean this and clean the other part as well, and we go from there. I'm gonna open this part as well so I can clean the inside of this part. You have to remove these two. I don't have this tool, so what I use is I was using a small flathead screwdriver, and I managed to put it there, and it did work for me for both. But it has to be like a small flathead. There, this is how it looks. Well, this part looks pretty clean. Okay, so this part has to be like really smooth whenever you turn it, and this one feels really hard. As you can see, it's hard for me to turn it. It has to go. I don't know if you can hear, like it's hard for it to turn because there's too much dirt inside. So I'm gonna clean the whole inside. So I have this thing, it's like purple power. I don't know if you guys know about it. And I just put some inside. I'm just turning this. Yeah, now it feels really smooth. So I'm gonna let it sit here for like maybe 30 seconds or so, maybe a minute. And then I'm gonna take it out and clean everything. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Just cleaning it like this. Yeah, now it's much, look, wow, it's way better than before. So I'm just gonna keep cleaning it. All right, I finished cleaning it up. As you can see, it looks way better than before. And this is really soft, really smooth. You can see it's turning with no problem. Before it was even hard for me to turn it. Look. So okay, I'm just going to put everything back on. I'm gonna put this back here. Okay. Now we're going to put this back. Since I'm already here, I'm going to use some carburetor cleaner and clean this part right here and also right here. You can see how clean now it looks. Now I'm going to put this back. Now I know I have to replace the gasket, but I just want to finish the video quick for you guys. So I'm just gonna put everything back. Hopefully I don't get any problems with this seal. So let's see how it goes. Now remember, these two go on top right here. And I would put the two on the bottom. I already put one right here. Now just connect all the hoses back. Yeah. Now you can add the filter. All right, that's it. Okay, now just make sure everything is connected right, like all the hoses are back where they're supposed to go. Just double check for everything to make sure everything is all right. And now cross your fingers, guys. Let's turn it on and hopefully this problem is fixed. All right, that's good. Good. Man, perfect. So there it is. That was a simple solution, simple fix for this 2001 Acura TL. I still have this light on. That's because I think I need an oil change. But check engine light off. It's off. So that's pretty much it, guys. Look, RPMs are back to normal. Look, there's no misfire, no nothing. Excellent. Let's hear the engine. Sounds really good. Like I said, no misfires. RPMs are back to normal. So, guys, I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up. Comment, let me know if this worked for you. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can buy the part just in case you need to buy it. And all right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, peace.